everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, I am making a video and I am laying in this basket like I don't know what you call this thing. Let's see, I turn it around and you guys can get a good look. If somebody knows the name of it, let me know. Drop a comment below. I'm really curious. So how's everybody doing today? Well, I'm doing great. Just enjoying the weather and enjoying the beach house and the view from the beach. This is so cool. We can actually view or we could see Lanzarote from our house, so that's absolutely amazing, and it's a clear day. Usually you don't see it so clear like you do today, but today you see it very clear, so that's really nice. But now I'm looking at the sky and just enjoying myself, and thought I would do something different and make a video. That's so cool. Yeah, guys, so what can I talk about? Let me think about it real quick and I'll get back to you. Don't go nowhere.